Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? Okay, tell me one thing. Do you like animals? Children, there are many types of animals around us. Some are wild animals and some are farm animals or pet animals. Farm animals are the animals that are used for agricultural purpose. So, today we will see and learn the names of farm animals. Okay, so let's start. Children, which animal is this? Yes, it's cow. Cow gives us milk. Next is what? Yes, it's a horse. Horse runs very fast. Okay, next is what? Yes, it's a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Next is hen. It's a hen. Hen lays eggs. Guess what is next? Yes, it's a rabbit. Rabbit likes carrot. Next is donkey. It's a very hard working animal. Next is what? It's a goat. Goat gives us milk. Next is dog. It's dog. Dogs are our best friends. Next is duck. It's a duck. And last one is cat. So cute. Okay, bye bye children.